Hornbills are captivating birds characterized by their unique appearance and intriguing behaviors. They belong to the family Bucerotidae and are primarily found in the tropical and subtropical regions of Africa and Asia, inhabiting dense forests and woodlands. These birds are celebrated for their distinctively large, sturdy bills adorned with casques, which are bony structures on top of their bills that vary in size and shape across different species. One of the most iconic and majestic hornbill species is the great Indian hornbill, Buceros bicornis, native to the lush forests of India and Southeast Asia. These birds are adorned with vibrant plumage, featuring striking colors, including a prominent yellow and black casque that adds to their allure. Hornbills are omnivorous, and their diet consists of a diverse range of foods, including fruits, insects, small mammals, and occasionally smaller birds. They play a crucial role in forest ecosystems by aiding in seed dispersal through the consumption of fruits, helping to regenerate the forest. One of the most intriguing aspects of hornbill behavior is their nesting habits. During the breeding season, female hornbills typically seal themselves inside tree cavities using a combination of mud, fruit pulp, and droppings, leaving only a small slit through which the male can feed her and their chicks. This unique nesting behavior provides protection to the vulnerable nestlings against predators and adverse weather conditions. Hornbills are also known for their distinct vocalizations, with calls that vary between species and serve various purposes. These calls are essential for communication with their mates, marking territory boundaries and signaling danger. They are also crucial to their role as seed dispersers, as their movement through the forest and subsequent excretion of undigested seeds contribute to the dispersal of seeds far from the parent tree. Unfortunately, hornbill populations face threats due to habitat loss caused by deforestation and agricultural expansion. Additionally, they are often hunted for their casques, which are carved into decorative items and sold in illegal wildlife trade markets. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent birds and their habitats. Conservation organizations and governments are working to preserve hornbill populations by safeguarding their habitats and raising awareness about their ecological importance. By doing so, we can contribute to the con.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've